It's story time, story time, story time with Naner and Roo. And Mr. Monkey too.
Hey littles, it's Roo here, and today I'm going to be reading you In the Rain by Elizabeth Spur. Clouds gather, rain pours. Put on slicker, go outdoors. Water flows, make a boat. Sail in stream, off it floats. Stomp in puddles, splish, splish. You see the doggy? He's splashing in puddles. Make a mud pie, smash, smash. She has pretty rain boots. Sun rises, rain goes. Find more water from the hose. Her mama's spraying her with the hose. Clouds part, rainbow bends. Make a wish, rain come again. The end. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to join us next time or on the next video to read another book. Have a wonderful day, littles. Bye.